Isabella is a sophomore from Long Beach, California, studying mechanical engineering. Being an engineer at LeTourneau means pursuing the intentional intersection of relational and technical, informed by faith. In other words, being T-shaped. What exactly does that look like? Isabella can help us with that. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. My time as captain of my high school robotics team solidified my decision to study mechanical engineering. While moving across the country was a difficult choice, LeTourneau University offered me the hands-on polytechnic education that I desired, along with the close-knit community that I craved as a city girl. The relationships I have developed with both students and faculty not only contribute to my sense of belonging at LeTourneau, but aid my future. Engineering is a lot more than just calculations or problem solving. It's working with different types of people and learning how to effectively communicate. I have the unique opportunity to practice these skills through my job as a peer advisor. I'm able to mentor the mechanical engineering freshmen on how to become efficient college students and organize events to help grow an already flourishing community. One of the goals of this incredible institution is to prepare students for the workforce from day one. Most of my professors have worked as professional engineers, so they provide very practical advice that you wouldn't find in a lab manual or a textbook. In addition to amazing professors, LeTourneau has very interactive labs designed to challenge students and encourage collaboration. Classes such as engineering project management provide students the opportunity to work together on a semester-long project that utilizes the different aspects of engineering. At LeTourneau, students can practice different scenarios that mimic the workforce. You will be trained by incredible faculty and make lifelong friendships. Like me, many students come to LeTourneau for the technical education, but they stay for the relationships built and sustained both inside and outside the classroom. I am proud to be a leader in my community thanks to the impressive training, life, and culture at LeTourneau. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Those labs look amazing, and how cool that you get to do all of that even as an underclassman. We can see why you would come all the way from the West Coast to find this type of environment and training. Take care, Isabella.